This guy over here is a timber rattlesnake. The timber rattlesnake's scientific name is Crotalus horridus. These guys eat small mammals, birds, and frogs. Hogs. They range from eastern and central U.S. Habitat, forest, and rugged terrain in lower and lowland thickets. As their name suggests, timber rattlesnakes live mainly in forests and other wooded areas. As adults, they mostly eat squirrels, rats, chipmunks, and rabbits. Rather than chase after prey, they wait for prey to come near them. Forest mammals often travel along fallen logs, leaving scent trails as they do. Hungry timber rattlesnakes seek out logs where they can smell these trails. Then they wait there often for a week or more, or for their next meal to come along.